Today we are drawing a rabbit.
And that's all, folks.
First, we draw a face of the rabbit. Do you know, rabbits love to eat carrots? Wow! Now, we are drawing eyes of the rabbit. Wow! So cute eyes! Our rabbit is looking so awesome! So awesome, rabbit! If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
And that's all, folks.
Let's do coloring. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Hello, kids. Welcome to Kids School Art. Today, we are drawing a sheep family. Let's draw with me. Let's start with our lovely mummy sheep. Gently draw her face. And guess what? It's not just any face. It's a super-duper magical face that can make you smile. Look closely. Her eyes are like twinkling stars. Blink, blink. Now, let's give our mummy sheep a cozy, furry body. Hooray! Fluffy and cuddly. Doesn't she look just fabulous? Imagine giving her the softest wool ever. And here comes the most exciting part, our adorable baby sheep. Draw the cutest little face you can think of. Aw, look at that tiny nose and those big innocent eyes.
One for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Our baby sheep sits right next to mummy sheep, snugly as a bug in a woolly rug. How heartwarming is that? Wow, our sheep family is complete. Let's do coloring. Orange.
Hello, kids! Today, we are drawing a cute and funny cow. Let's draw together. First, we draw face of our cow. Cow is cute and beautiful animal on the earth. Did you know a cow can smell things up to 6 miles away? Wow, so cute cow. Happy cows give more milk. If cows are relaxed, have friends, and get gentle care, they produce even more yummy milk. Every cow has unique spots, just like your fingerprints. Look at our cute cow here. Her spots are one of a kind. Isn't that cool? Wow, wow, wow. So nice draw, little artists. Let's coloring.
Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Hello, kids. Today, we are drawing a mommy hen and a baby chick. First, we draw the big mommy hen standing tall. So cute hen. Big wing, fluffy tail, and strong legs with claws. Look, our hen has a comb on top. It looks like a crown. Now, we draw a beak. Awesome hen. Now we draw our super cute baby chick. Our chick has big round head with fluffy hair and long eyelashes. Oh, so pretty. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chick is popping out of the egg. Surprise! Happy eyes and tiny beak saying, peep, peep, hello world. Did you know? Baby chicks hatch after their mommy hen sits on the egg for 21 days, like a warm hug. When they come out, they are wet and fluffy. Then poof, dry and super cute. Mommy hen follows little babies and protects them from everything. Let's coloring. Chicks love to run around and peck, peck, peck for food. So funny to watch. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Well done! Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.